place before. This place looks weird. Am I in a hotel or something? Hello. How are you? Howdy, partner. Why'd you call me howdy, partner? Oh, it's a thing that we came up with. Me and my boy William did. Who's William? He's a woodpecker. He's like on the other side. He plays music a lot. This place doesn't really play music at all, but it's just, you know. Who are you? Whoa. You're one of those specimens, aren't you? You're an ancient species. What? Okay, yeah, you don't understand. You're a dodo, right? Yeah. Well, guess what? I saw you in a big elephant bird, like, literally, in the heart of the desert. So I brought you here. And, yeah, you're safe. You safe, bro? From all the bad stuff, from DarkWatcher and all that stuff. I heard he wants to kill us all. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I forgot he said he wants to get rid of all bird kind. Wait, where's Giant? Is he okay? Yeah, he's downstairs. He's gonna be fine. Oh boy, I hope you're okay. Boy. I mean, he hasn't even learned his words yet, but he is still trying to learn how to talk. Oh, he has talked to me once. He was like, "Get out of here." Was he like that? No, it wasn't. Oh, damn it. Giant! Oh my god, what is this music coming from? Oh, that's coming from, William's place. Oh. Hey, Giant! Giant boy, can you wake up? Oh my god. He just said his first word. I think it was, Rainbow, is that you? Hey, you don't remember my name. Boy, what's up? What's up, Rainbow? I haven't seen you in a while. Me neither. Isn't this crazy? Yeah. Well, do you have food? I do, but you could go. William has the best there, so you should be able to go there. Okay. Come on, dude. Let's go. Wow. Wait, how did we end up here? I don't know. But just enjoy the cool times. Oh yeah, it's definitely coming from here. Looks like I guess it's open. Is it closed at Mario? I think it's closed at 12 a.m. or something. Oh, I like this music. Hey, William! I heard there's a woodpecker named William. Wait, he's a woodpecker? I mean, I heard there's a guy named William. He might be upstairs. I don't think he has a bed upstairs. We could try to ask him. Whoa. Howdy, partner. And how can I help you? Oh, I wasn't expecting him to say that too. Because that's what the bird of paradise bird dude just said to me. Oh, you been Charles? Yeah, that's my buddy. Anyway, how can I help you? What do you want? We got some coconut, we got fish, we got apples, we got some sodas like strawberry and Sprite, and we got cactus. So what do you eat cactuses? Oh no. We got meat, apple. Yeah, I think I did say apples, berries, bananas, and yeah, and an acorn. I think we have seeds too, but I'm not sure. We're not looking for food. We're just. Can you tell us how we ended up here? Because your friend Charles said that he found us in the heart of the desert. Wait, what does heart of the desert mean? Oh, it means you're like in the middle. It's, you know how human hearts are in the middle, and like how every animal heart is. Yeah, that's pretty much why we call it the middle of the desert or the heart of the desert. It's pretty much a thing. Okay. So what, does a desert have a beating heart? Nah, not really. But hey, it's just what we call when we're in the middle of other things we've never been to, or we have been to. But yeah, Have you been trapped here with Charles? Nah, it was crazy. Queen Hope gave us a place to work at. You know. Yeah. We just need help to get the hell out of here because we don't belong here. Wait a minute. Let me get to myself clear. You guys are ancient species. Like elephant bird and dodo. Dodo, right. So not tired of hearing that. Oh, really? Do you have other friends? Yeah, a Sappy Ornis, Archaeodrix, a Great Auk, and Confuciusornis. I don't know how you pronounce that. Oh, you mean WaterDasher? Yeah, he's visited here for so many years, bro. We had a good time drinking some Sprite and strawberry soda. It was very good. Oh, okay. But hey, if you need anything, just call me. I'm here to give you something. Yeah. Will you and Charles help us out if we get a little party started? Ooh, a party. What's your favorite music? Is it this song, Hot Desert, Cowboy, Western, or Ragtime, which I don't really like that song because I don't really listen to like a lot of the like music like that. But that actually is part of this whole place, isn't it? Of course. What's your favorite song? It's Oh, and by the way, I just want to tell you, this thing can play ads as well. It's not really nice, and it's pretty annoying. Well, my favorite song is "Curses" by the Crane Wives. Curses by the Crane Wives. I could change it to that. Oh my god, Rainbow, I don't think this is a good idea. Come on, we gotta listen to it, boy. Oh my goodness. Alright, hold on. Let me change it. Alright, let's camera action. Let's go. Oh my goodness. My brain and I'm burning up. Oh my. Oh my. But the well is dry, oh my, oh my. Every word I say is in vain, and the smoke clears when you're around. Won't you stay with me, my darling, when we all start burning down, down, down. Sing it. Well, thank you for my singing list. Agile, light join? No, thank you. This house is my name, like an elegy. Oh my, oh my. Echoing where my ghosts are used to be. Oh my, oh my. In the corners, and the backyard's full of bones. Won't you stay with me, my darling, when the house don't feel like home? When this house don't feel like home. Oh, ashes, dust to dust. The devil's after both of us, pulling my curses all to rest. Make a mercy out of me. Come on, John, you gotta join in. Join her, will you please? Fine, I'll join her. Tired old machine is a rumbling, oh my. Oh my. Singing songs to the secrets behind my eye. Oh my. Oh my. My aching bones are trembling, and I may yet fall apart. Won't you stay with me, my darling? starts in my heart. When the world starts in my heart. Oh, ashes, dust to dust. Oh, devils after both of us. Holy my curses out to rest. Make a mercy out of me. Oh, ashes, dust to dust. And me, I am good enough. Holy my curses all to rest. Make a mercy out of. Oh, well, hello, WaterDasher, you back? Seriously, colorful. Well, duh, you gotta think of something funny. You've been gone for like almost like, hold on. Sorry, I made it into water too much. But you've been gone for like 2 hours. Like, seriously, we've been waiting for you. Can you just get out of the water, please? Sure. Okay, first of all, you said there was like new birds. I talked with Mystical, the old vulture looking blah 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 whatever. I mean, she's old. I mean, yeah. She doesn't have that too much to live, you know. Yeah, I know. Look, colorful, I'm trying to end DarkWatcher. We need to end him once and for all. After what he has done to us. Yeah. Rainbow and Giants are on their way. I don't know where they went. But they said they would go to the desert for materials. Why? I don't know. I hope they're safe. I hope so too. I hope Blood and whoever is alive and teaming up with Blood isn't going to go after them. I hope so too. I hope they stay safe.